Hey everyone, I want to do a quick overview on the 2025 Bronco gauge cluster installed in my 21 Ford Bronco. Right off the bat, this is not an installation video. If you are interested in learning on how to install this gauge cluster, I will link a video by a company called Infotainment and put it in this video's description. It has a perfect step-by-step guide on how to install the cluster. This is going to be more or less just an overview and some tips and tricks. And if you're interested, hopefully this video will help you if you're interested in making that swap. All right, so first of all, if you watch that infotainment video, there's a couple of things that I will tell you that you want to pay attention to. So basically in that video, they tell you to remove this whole face of the dash, this whole face, and then go underneath the glove box and remove the airbag, passenger side airbag. You don't need to do any of that, okay? All you need to do is basically pull this part of the dash back and you can get to the 7mm bolt. It makes things a lot easier, so just keep that in mind. I will say the whole disassembly of this dash took about 45 minutes to an hour, and then to put everything back took about a half an hour. Not too bad. The most difficult part of this whole installation is by basically removing this. So you just have to get a metal or very heavy-duty plastic trim tool and be able to pull this down here to pop this whole thing down. That's probably the most difficult part. Everything else is pretty easy. If you watch that video, it really does a great job in the step-by-step guide. So yeah, no difficulties there. And then next, you're probably interested in, okay, where do I get this cluster? How do I get this in my 21 through 24 Ford Bronco? We got a couple different options. I'm going to link the manufacturing part numbers in the video's description, so you can go online, you can search for it, you can go down to your local Ford dealership, see if they can get it for you. You're going to maybe strike out, maybe not. Hopefully you can find it for a decent price. I've seen pricing anywhere from like $900 to $1,300. You might be able to find it a little bit cheaper, a little bit more. It just depends. I was able to get this from a buddy that works at Ford, so that was pretty nice. You have two other options beyond that. The first one is a company called OEM Plus Upgrades, and they will sell you this cluster pre-programmed and everything ready to go, turnkey, for $2,000. If you're interested in the Ford Raptor cluster, because it is a better cluster, it does show more information, it looks better in my opinion, that one's $2,400. Now do keep in mind that if you have a manual transmission Bronco, this is the only cluster you can install in your Bronco. You cannot install the Ford Raptor, Bronco Raptor cluster. If you happen to find an OEM Ford Chinese cluster, that will not work with a manual transmission. Ask me how I know. Another way that you can get this cluster is by that company called Infotainment, the one that does the installation. They will sell you it currently for, I think it's on sale for a little over $1,800 right now, which is a pretty good deal. So that will be turnkey as well. They do all the programming for you. You just tell them your VIN number, your mileage, and when you get the cluster, you throw it in, and it's already pre-programmed for you. It's done, so pretty easy. Now, if you're interested in doing the DIY route where you want to program it yourself, you want to do everything yourself, to save yourself as much money as you can do that. There is a thread over on the Bronco 6G forums that has a lot of great information in it. You can go ahead and just scroll through that forum thread, learn a lot. You can maybe take the thread, throw it into an AI, have it summarize it for you. But a lot of people in there are helping each other out with programming. But if you're not the kind of person that loves Forescan, I don't know many who do, you can also pay that company, OEM Plus Upgrades, to do the programming for you. Actually, that's the route I did because I hate Forescan. So I paid them $169. I gave them my VIN number. I told them the make, the body, how many doors, all that fun stuff. And they went ahead and programmed an IPC file for me. They sent me the file. I got on my Windows laptop. I fired up Forescan. I went ahead and loaded Forescan, overwrote the files, and typed in my mileage, and bam, I was done. 5 minutes or less. That's all it took for the programming. So it's pretty easy. If you want them to remote into the laptop for you, do it for you, you can do that. They just charge a little bit more. Or if you want to send the cluster into them, they can do the full programming for you for like $300 something. So you have options. You don't have to program it yourself. You can have them do it for you and make it cheap, or sorry, to make it easier, not cheaper. But it's nice that you have those options. Now, as far as the cluster itself, there's plenty of guides on YouTube right now that show you, kind of walk you through the cluster. I will say that this is a base Bronco. I don't have all the modes. I don't really use goat modes all that much except for sport. You can customize the gauges when you're in sport mode, which is kind of cool. So if you see here the gauges you have here, this is the boost gauge. You have your water temperature, your oil temperature, battery, fuel, etc. So You can move these all around. You can only do that in a couple modes. You can't do it in regular mode and a couple other ones, but it is kind of cool that you have that option. I love how it changes the color of the dash and the tacks and stuff. And the animations are cool, but they're only 4-door animations. You can't get 2-door animations, so don't get too excited. I will say one thing I don't like about this. There's a couple of things I don't like about it. The first thing I don't like is that if you look at these gauges here, you have your coolant temperature. Well, what's the temperature? It just has like a regular bar. Is it 190, 180? I don't know. It doesn't tell me. Same thing with oil temperature. We all know that 2.3s take forever for the oil temperature to heat up. And I don't know what the middle is. I have no idea. The boost gauge is kind of weenie. Like, it's 30 pounds of boost all the way up here, and then you have one marker in between the 0 and the 30. So that's 15. I mean, it's just like, really? Like, it's just not really giving you a whole lot. Which is kind of unfortunate. So that's one thing I don't like. I also will say here, if you go into the settings, one thing that doesn't work, if you go to oil life, see it has 100%. Now this does work. So as you drive, Ford does a great job. They have like a specific algorithm that basically monitors the runtime, how much stress, and all those different things to figure out what the oil life is. But if I hit the OK button, you'll see here that nothing's going on. It won't reset. You can reset this. You just have to do it the manual way. So put your foot and your brake all the way down on the gas to the floor with the ignition on, and it will reset. So that works. So that you just have to do it the manual way, and you'll be able to reset your oil life. That's the only thing I found that does not work properly. Everything else works fine. I don't have any problems at all with the gauges. So if you're super annoyed with the turn signal noise from the original 21 through 24 Bronco, well, this is improved. It's not quite as loud. It doesn't sound quite as hollow. Definitely an improvement, which is nice to see. I'm really digging this gauge cluster. I really think it's a big upgrade. I know it can be a pretty big expense depending on your budget and where you are. But if you're the type of person that wants to keep your Bronco long term, I would highly recommend this. And now it's viable. If prices will probably only go down on the clusters. So, if anybody has any questions about the cluster, the installation, feel free to leave a comment in the video section. And again, also take some time and read through that Bronco 6G forum post to learn as much as you can. But again, love the cluster, and thanks for checking out the video.